Hey, how you doing? Austin here, along with Zach. This is a video that I've been looking forward to making with you, Zach, because I know you have some personal stories around this. So this video is all about Wen Lifestyle. Now, you may be asking yourself, what the heck is Wen Lifestyle? Well, it's a phrase that has been coined by the ClearCryptos project, and we're going to dig into that in just in a minute. But what it really comes off of right, Zach, in crypto, there's this saying, Wen Lambo. Yeah. And that saying basically is all originated around the thought of make a bunch of money in crypto and go buy a Lambo. Now, I'm not slamming Lambos. I've never personally owned one. They're cool. We have a friend that owns one, but ClearCryptos, and I think you and I respectively, really prefer to look at it from a Wen Lifestyle standpoint. So I'm going to throw it to you, and I want your opinion of what Wen Lifestyle means to you, and then kind of relate it back to the people watching this video.
Yeah, really. I mean, so Wen Lifestyle to me is freedom, real freedom to do what you want to do. I mean, so right here, right now, I'm sitting in an Airbnb in Florida, unbelievable backyard. It's mid-afternoon on a Friday, brought the whole family out here, and I'm able to do this because of crypto. I'm not working the traditional 9-to-5 job anymore. I've got the freedom to be wherever I need to be or want to be. And I can still work, right? I'm making videos right now with Austin for the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. But as soon as we're done, I'm going to head out and jump in the pool. And that's what it's all about. It's about eating good food with great people, right? It's about being able to travel wherever you want, whenever you want. And that's really what crypto allows a lot of people to have, right? And for me, the whole Wen Lambo thing is kind of funny. I mean, I'm not much of a car person. I know you are, so that might be a little different for like car people out there.
Yeah.
But I just look at like a nice car as like, okay, that's cool, but like, really, what is it? I mean, it's a liability. I mean, especially if it's like a Lambo, like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Really not an asset. Like, is it? I mean, maybe in some cases, especially with the used car market, I guess right now, but yeah. Cars just never did it for me, man. I'd rather be able to have the freedom to travel, be able to, go and come and go as I please, and be able to go play golf. I know that's something you're probably gonna do this afternoon, right?
Yeah. I mean, when I'm done recording, I'm taking my son and we're gonna go play golf. It's the summer when we're recording this video, depending on when you're watching this video, but that's the point where I have the freedom, kind of like you, to go play golf with my son in the mid-afternoon on a Friday. And I would say this: we are not slamming the Wen Lambo thing. You're right. I am a car guy. Ironically, I've turned into a truck guy. I like trucks, and I have a funny story. I have a buddy of mine who owns a construction company, and he's very successful. And he bought this Porsche. Wasn't a Lambo, but it still applies, right? Yeah. He bought this Porsche, and he one day he said, "Hey, I sold the Porsche." I'm like, well, why'd you sell the Porsche? He said, because every time I walk by it, I was like, literally, there's $150,000 sitting in my garage that I'm not driving every day, right? And he then went on to say, even outside of this was a while ago, but it brings back the Wen Lifestyle. He's like, I would rather than have that $150,000 sitting in that car in my garage that I don't drive a lot anyway. And he literally said, I'm not kidding. He said, I would literally rather take that money and go travel, go have experiences with my wife and my son and my daughter. And that's really ultimately why I sold the Porsche. So he was talking about the Wen Lifestyle, before it was even really a thing. So I think that's really what it comes down to. But I want to go back, Zach, to what you said, and that was one word. And I think that's the word I want to end the video with, is freedom. So I want you to add a little bit more to that, and to just kind of expand on that, and maybe equate it to somebody watching this video and what freedom can mean to them, and just don't just look at it as like, right, going and buying that $250,000 or $300,000 or $500,000 Lambo, but it's about freedom. So that's really what I want you to end on this video with.
And I'm going to tie in something that you just said. To me, freedom is experiences. It's being able to experience the great things in life that you don't get to experience when you're tied down by a particular job that's 9-to-5. And crypto allows you to get away from that. And
I want to remind you, I'm interjecting, but I want to remind you of something that you did about a month ago. You literally just took off and did a trip. Remember that? You were, and yeah. So again, tell the viewers about that.
Yeah. So like, I mean, I needed like a hard reset is what I like to call it, right? Like whenever, you know, I just feel like a little crowded in the brain and I'm not getting things done as I should be, you can just get up and go. And you can go hit that hard reset button. For me, that was out in the mountains in Gatlinburg. We got an unbelievable cabin. And I worked, you know, from there, get up in the morning, work my, you know, 3-4 hours in the morning, get my videos recorded, set them up, schedule them, and then just go on a hike and just get away from the world for a while. And I came back so refreshed, right?
Right.
And that's what it's all about. I mean, to me, Wen Lifestyle is not about things. It's about experiences. And I think you guys are going to see that with ClearCryptos and what they have in mind with this Wen Lifestyle brand, because it really is a brand within the brand. You're going to be pretty excited about it. It's super, super cool what they have in store. And can't wait to talk more about it in terms of some of these experiences and that are going to be tied in with Wen Lifestyle. So I know I want to say more, but I can't just yet.
Can't, right. Yeah, there it is. So we'll end on that. I agree. It is freedom. It is that's what it really comes down to. So maybe we've changed your view of it. The watching this video is that I think if part of your lifestyle, your Wen Lifestyle vision is the freedom to own that exotic car, so be it. We are not saying don't do that, but what we're really saying is it's the freedom to make those choices that you want to make. And if for you it is an exotic car, so be it. But I think for you and I, it's, to your point, it's travel, it's with your family, it's good food, good drink. It's really living life richer and fuller. That's what it means to me. So
100%.
All right. So to wrap up, down in the description below, by the way, don't forget, like and subscribe the video below. A lot more content coming from Zach and I here on the channel. We both, again, have our own channels, but there are other content creators that are creating content with the goal of one goal: education, helping you navigate crypto better. And down in the link below, the description below, you'll find a link to all of ClearCryptos' socials, their Twitter, their Discord. Definitely get involved in their Discord. Really fantastically positive group over there to help foster you in crypto. So we'll end on that. Have a good one, and we'll see you down the road.